Now here we need to simplify this, right? Now actually this question you can do, start with several ways, but with several method, but yeah, I will try to show you what the uh, method come to my mind, and also that the with the easy way, right? So here easy and quick. Now here 3, and someone can make this, first of all, this negative index to positive, that also good. But here what I will do, here I will make this 27 3 to the power, right? Here very carefully, because they in this question the 3 come several times, so very carefully. Here 27 mean 3 to the power 3, right? Huh? That means 3 to the power 3 mean what? The 3 into 3 into 3. So 3 into 3 9, 9 into 3 27. You need to know that. Then here this just this 27 I make to has power, so 3 to the power 3, and here we have 1 over 3, right? And then what you can do here, 3 divided by 3, then this index we can multiply with this index, right? I mean, when you have base, index, and then again index, you can multiply these two index, this both index for the same base now. So this index multiply with this index. I will do it here, 3 into negative 1 over 3. What the answer for this? This is very simple. Here you can think has 1 the denominator for this number, so 3 to 3 cut. How many 3 are there in 3? 1. How many 3 are there in 3? 1. So 1 into 1 1. Here actually 1 into minus 1, negative 1. So here negative 1, 1 into 1 1. Like that way you can think. Basically here final answer is minus 1. So here will be 3 to the power minus 1. Try to understand that, right? Okay, now here what I can do here, 3 I can make this divisions to multiplication if I get this as this reciprocal of this. And now again we learned earlier, when you have negative index you can make positive if you get the reciprocal of this. That's the thing. Here we need to get twice reciprocal. So what will happen? So I will do one by one. I will keep this division sign same, and then I will make this negative index to positive. How? Now below the 3 here we have 1, no? Denominator is 1. So I will get the reciprocal of this, that means 1 over 3. Here will be plus 1, right? Plus 1, right? It will, you can convert this negative index to positive index if you make this one reciprocal. If you get the reciprocal of this, here 3 over 1, I make 1 over 3. Now this will become positive. Okay, now this is very simple. 3 divide by 3. This is actually, you can tell just answer has 1, but here I will show you further work in here. Division change to multiplication, and then sorry, here not 1. Look here, what will happen here, 3, and division I will change to multiplication. This this one I need to get the reciprocal of, no, that, right? Not we can't keep this way. We need to get the reciprocal of this. So here 3 over 1, here division change to multiplication, here you need to get the reciprocal. So that means 3 over 1, right? Here 1 over 3, because why I change it again here, this division I change to multiplication, then I need to get the reciprocal of the second fraction. So 1 over 3, it becomes 3 over 1. So what the final answer? 3 into 3 9. So 1 into 1 1. So here denominator is 1, you don't need, right? So this is the final answer. Final answer is 9, right? Try to understand. Right here, yeah, this answer is 9.